Welcome to my channel. We are familiar with acids and bases. Now let's learn about neutral substances. You'll be amazed to know that all these substances like water, common salt and sugar solution which we use on a regular basis at our homes are neutral in nature, which means they are neither acidic nor basic in nature. Now let's find out what are neutral substances. A neutral substance is a substance that doesn't show any properties of acids or bases. It doesn't change the color of the litmus paper. We've learned that acids turn blue litmus paper red and bases turn red litmus paper blue. What would happen when an acid is mixed with a base? Have you ever thought about it? To see the results, watch the video till the end. Let's do a small experiment. Take a test tube and fill it 1/4 with hydrochloric acid. Now, we'll use a new indicator called phenolphthalein. Add 2 to 3 drops of it to the acid. Shake the test tube gently. Note down the color of the acid. Now add a drop of sodium hydroxide solution using a dropper. Stir the test tube gently. Note down the change in color. Continue adding sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop and keep stirring the test tube till the solution turns pink in color. Now add one more drop of dilute hydrochloric acid. The solution becomes colorless. Once again, add one drop of sodium hydroxide solution. Note the change in color. You'll notice that the solution again turns pink in color. So, we can conclude that when the solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives a pink color, and when the solution is acidic, it remains colorless. Let's see what happens when acid mixes with base. When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solutions neutralize the effect of each other. The acidic nature of acids and the basic nature of bases get destroyed. The resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Heat is produced in a neutralization reaction. A new substance is also formed. It's called salt. Salt may be acidic, basic, or neutral in nature. This is what happens when an acid reacts with a base. The reaction between an acid and a base is called neutralization. The process produces salt and water, and heat is evolved. We've learned that the hydrochloric acid in our stomach helps us to digest food. I've uploaded a video on this. I've also uploaded a video on acids and bases. You'll find the links in the description box. Be sure to check them out. Sometimes indigestion is painful. To get relief from indigestion, an antacid such as milk of magnesia is taken, which contains magnesium hydroxide. This helps in neutralizing the effect of excessive acid. All of us have been bitten by ants at some point of time or other in life, haven't we? This happens mostly during the monsoon season, as you find ants everywhere. How does it feel when an ant bites? There's a painful inflammation on skin, isn't it? Let's find out what happens when an ant bites. When an ant bites, it injects the acidic liquid called formic acid into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, that is, sodium hydrogen carbonate or calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate. Let's find out what happens to the soil when chemical fertilizers are used in excessive quantity. It makes the soil acidic. This affects the growth of the plants. Let's find out how. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. Now let's find out how the quality of soil is restored once it becomes too acidic or too basic. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime, that is calcium oxide, or slake lime, that is calcium hydroxide, to neutralize the acidic nature of soil. When the soil is too basic, organic matter is added to it. This results in the release of acid, which neutralizes the basic nature of soil. The wastes released by many factories contain acids. What will happen if they are allowed to flow into the water bodies? These acids would kill fish and other aquatic organisms. Therefore, the factory wastes are neutralized by adding basic substances before they are allowed to flow into water bodies. For more videos on similar topics, subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and also be sure to share it with your friends. Press the bell icon for notification on new videos. Check the description box for links of videos which you have missed out to watch. Give your feedback on the comment section below. Thanks for watching.